My name is Tim, and I'm the founder of Towards College Recruiting. And I'm here to introduce our new recruiting course, Towards on Track. Towards College Recruiting already does a phenomenal job at connecting hundreds of college athletes with over 500 college track coaches. But it doesn't do enough to guide athletes to go from a college connection to a college commitment. And that's why I'm creating Towards on Track. Towards on Track includes 8 live video modules with assignments and materials to guide you step by step throughout the entire recruiting process. On top of that, I'll be available for weekly Q&A sessions to solve your recruiting problems and to answer your personal questions. And you'll get lifetime access to Torch Pro, so you can connect and chat with 500 college track coaches on our recruiting platform. In this video, I'll let you know a little bit more about myself, my transformation, and how you can achieve a similar transformation to achieve your college dreams with Torch on Track. And now you may be wondering, who is Tim? Who is this guy giving me this presentation? Well, my name is Tim, and I'm the founder of Torch College Recruiting. I was a highly recruited track athlete in high school. I ended up going to Dartmouth College, an Ivy League school, where I was a 2-time academic All-American, a 2-year captain, and an NCAA regionals qualifier. After college, I coached at Southern New Hampshire University, and I coached a walk-on to become a 2-time All-American in the shot put. And then I founded Torch College Recruiting to help other athletes achieve their dream of becoming a college athlete, just like I did. And I had a ton of success before, during, and after college. But while I was getting recruited in high school, old Tim was someone that was navigating the recruiting process somewhat blindly. I thought I knew what I was doing, and I thought I was destined for a top-tier athletic program, since I was getting recruited to schools like Oregon, LSU, and Penn State, all of which I took official visits to. I went through nearly the entire recruiting process to realize I was looking at the wrong schools, and those dream schools I had weren't the academic, athletic, or financial fit I needed. By some miracle, I landed my last official visit at Dartmouth College, which ended up being a perfect fit for me. It was an Ivy League school, it was a D1 program, and I was able to save over $100,000 from their financial aid package. I committed there and had an incredible 4 years at Dartmouth. That being said, the recruiting process was a roller coaster ride, and it turned out to be a lot more stressful than it needed to be for old Tim. But by leveraging my experiences as a highly recruited athlete, as a D1 athlete, as a college coach, and then through founding Torch College Recruiting, the new Tim is an expert in the recruiting process. Through our recruiting platform, I've been able to help recruits make over 4,000 connections with college coaches. And I've expanded Torch by developing a system to guide athletes step by step throughout the entire recruiting process. I've helped students commit to top chalk programs like USC, UNC, Princeton, Stanford, Harvard, and dozens of others. And I'm thrilled to help the next generation of athletes maximize their opportunity as recruited athletes and achieve their college dreams again, just like I did. And that's why my team and I have created Torch on Track, a comprehensive recruiting program that'll guide you step by step throughout the entire recruiting process. With Torch on Track, I'm going to walk you through the very beginning through the very end of the recruiting process in our 8-module recruiting course, with assignments and materials to keep you on track throughout your entire recruiting journey. I'm also going to be available for our weekly Q&A sessions to solve your problems and answer your personal questions. I'm also going to give you lifetime access to Torch Pro, our recruiting platform, so you and more than 500 college track coaches can connect and chat with each other. Torch on Track is designed to make you go through the same or an even better transformation than I did, and I'm really excited to give you more details on the next slide. Torch on Track will have 8 modules, which I'm about to walk you through. In the first module, we will guide you through Torch's SPARQ recruiting assessment. And this will be used to assess where you're at in the recruiting process and also to define an ambitious but attainable goal for where you want to go. As part of that, we will also define what you will need to achieve academically and athletically to achieve your college goal. In the second module, SPARQ College Match, we will use the same SPARQ assessment from the first module to match with colleges that are an ideal athletic, academic, financial, and experiential fit. And we'll be finding these college matches using a combination of Torch's technology tools, materials, and research methodologies. In the third module, NCAA Recruiting Fundamentals, we will cover the foundations of college recruiting. You will create your college recruiting resume, college recruiting profiles, and I will give you an overview of NCAA recruiting rules and regulations, so you have everything you need in place to get recruited in the following modules. In the fourth module, Connecting with College Coaches, you will start communicating with college coaches from your ideal college matches using our research strategies and templates. And then in our fifth module, Connection to Commitment, we will show you our proven plan to go from a recruiting connection to a college commitment or scholarship, and all the steps in between. And since the recruiting process is different for recruited athletes, in the sixth module, Cracking Admissions as a Recruit, you will learn how to navigate admissions as a recruited athlete to get into top-tier universities. And this will include interview prep and how to best prepare your college application. College is also extremely expensive, and we want you to find the best financial fit for you and your family. So in the seventh unit, the $100,000 scholarship strategy, you will learn how to save tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars by maximizing your scholarship and financial aid, and by also using our other cost-cutting strategies. And finally, in our eighth unit, Sealing the Deal, you will learn how to close the deal on scholarships, sponsorships, and admission spots. Each of these modules build upon each other to guide you step by step through the entire process. And with each module, you will have assignments to keep you accountable and keep you on track throughout the entire recruiting process. And as a reminder, each module is paired with a Q&A session, so I can guide you personally and help answer your questions throughout the process. This also comes with Torch Pro, so you can connect and chat with over 500 college track coaches. You can find all of this information in more detail on our website, which is linked in the description below. So if you want to get recruited to college for track, and you would rather confidently go through the recruiting process with a proven plan, with experienced guidance, and with the technology to achieve your goals, you should sign up for a free one-on-one Torch on Track recruiting assessment by clicking the Calendly link below, and we can see if you're a good fit. I hope to talk to you soon and see if I can help you make your college athlete dreams a reality.